Hi guys, today I will do the lucky block only challenge in Roblox Bedwars. But blocks are allowed. I guess if I got emeralds I can spend them. Let's go. I got a tactical crossbow but I don't have arrows. Two idiots fighting over a builder hammer.
On my cell phone. Late night when you need call me on my cell.
I love lucky block mode but lucky block mode doesn't like me back. Another skill issue. Time to do some Gaku stuff with this staff. Rage Blade Kid fell. Bro tried but my butterfly clicking was ready. I worked hard on this, so PLS like and sub, hope y'all enjoyed and see ya later.